Hello, everybody. This is Lex Zaplicki, the Chief Technology Officer from the Center for Healthcare Solutions, a 100-year-old organization formerly known as the Healthcare Council of Western Pennsylvania. This is the second of two videos. The first video, which was completed by Jeffrey Kroback, our Chief Financial Officer, which discussed the details of the Craft report. This video will discuss some of the ancillary items around the Craft report. The Craft report is a compilation of 112 variables that are collected from the participating hospitals and, after aggregated, result in a financial and utilization benchmarking report. The Craft report is currently our most popular report at the Center for Healthcare Solutions and has been a staple for over 10 years. This report is completed in a PDF format and provided to the hospitals that participate. So what makes this report so special? First of all, real-time data. The report is approximately 45 to 60 days old when the PDF report is received from the hospital. The Craft report is completed on a quarterly basis. That's a rolling quarterly basis, meaning that as we proceed through the quarters, the data is accumulated into a final year-end report in the fourth quarter. The Craft survey, as Jeff Kroback discussed, is a benchmarking report providing data by region, peer grouping, urban or rural setting, bed size, and Medicaid category, among others. There's a Craft report appendix that includes definitions, details on calculations, defined payer mix categories, a listing of all hospitals in each peer group, bed size, Medicare category, and region. This report is geographically targeted, which means that it is not comparing the hospital to reports across the nation, but those reports in the region to provide a true benchmarking report. This report has the ability to include up to 5 years of historical data, and for any new participating hospitals, we can take up to 5 years of their historical data and include it in this report. Now to the report process, the data collection process more accurately. An RFI is sent via an email with an Excel file as the collection vehicle to accumulate the data from the hospitals for this report. We're also in the process of creating a web-based collection form, which could be used as an alternative to the Excel file. And we're also in the process of creating an API, which could be used as an alternative as well. Once the data is collected from each of the hospitals, the data is checked through a proprietary algorithm which vets the data for reasonableness and completeness. Once it passes the reasonable and completeness test, the data is aggregated through a series of stored procedures, and then the Craft report is produced. The Craft report goes through a second proprietary algorithmic vetting process, then through a human vetting process, and finally through an executive commentary process. The Craft report is then delivered to each of the respective hospitals, to their assigned system designated data custodian, and then on to the C-suite team of those respective hospitals. Please stay tuned for more videos which will discuss future enhancements of the Craft report, and feel free to contact us via our contact form on this webpage with any additional questions or a request for a demo. Thank you for your time. Again, this was Lex Zaplicki, the Chief Technical Officer at the Center for Healthcare Solutions. Thank you.